This Singer sewing machine comes with a variety of presser feet and accessories for basic sewing. You get an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, darning plate, a package of needles, bobbins, a seam ripper with lint brush, an edge quilting guide, screwdriver, thread spool caps, and an embroidered canvas dust cover. All you need to get started is included. This Singer sewing machine features 4 snap-on presser feet. The presser feet simply snap off or on the machine without need for screwdrivers or other tools. To remove a presser foot, just press the lever at the back of the presser foot holder and the foot will release. To attach a presser foot, place it under the presser foot holder. The foot snaps into place and you're ready to sew. This Singer sewing machine is not only simple to use, but it's simple to thread too. Numbered guides are clearly marked on the machine, making threading quick and easy. Just thread the needle and you're ready to sew.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.